Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Vanguard app review to see with what you're using. So to get started about Vanguard. The Vanguard app is a mobile companion for long-time investors using Vanguard's popular low-cost index fund, IRA, and brokerage account. It allows users to check account balance, view recent transactions, deposit checks, and make basic trade in mutual fund like ETFs and stock. The app is built for simplicity and it's best suited for passive investors who don't need advanced features. It supports fingerprint login, recurring investment, and easy access to account performance, make it useful for managing retirement or taxable portfolios on the go. However, many users find the app limited compared to other broker platforms. It lacks real-time codes until you begin to trade and doesn't support all account type like 2529 plan and has a minimal chat or research tools. Some reviews mention occasional bugs, slow update, and a update interface. Still, if your investing style is mostly hand-off and you prioritize low-cost, long system growth, the Vanguard app is worth it. Just don't expect advanced tools or fast-paced trading features on the platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. Leave it, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.